Server parks housing billions in hardware and storing invaluable data are the strategic yet sometimes vulnerable backbone of today's fully digitalized and increasingly perilous world. Their safe, secure, stable, and reliable operation 24/7 is of paramount importance. Wireless sensor technology helps to safeguard these huge investments, minimizing risk with batteryless, maintenance-free, easy-to-install sensors. Individual server temperatures must be closely monitored at all times, with immediate alarm and notification in case of overheating, enabling controlled maintenance or shutdown. Facility cleanliness, pure air, temperatures between 22 and 25 degrees Celsius, and humidity of 30 to 55% are key for safe operation. High-performance air conditioning, efficient air filters, smoke and pollutant detection, and fluid leak monitoring are essential. High-precision, self-powered, maintenance-free wireless sensors can be placed almost anywhere with quick peel and stick installation. This can be done in minutes without disrupting operations. No dirt, no noise, no cables, and zero maintenance for years. Data can be securely transmitted via a dedicated wireless solution or by using existing Wi-Fi networks with local or cloud analytics as needed. Thousands of interoperable devices based on the open EnOcean standard are available from hundreds of vendors worldwide and have been successfully implemented in millions of buildings. For more information about how you can ensure the safety and efficiency of server parks, visit the provided link or www.enoceanalliance.org.